2021 Oval GP 2190 First Ride Review. What the heck is an Oval GP 2190, you may well wonder. Let's start with what it's not. The Italian manufacturer is quick to dismiss the notion that it's a mini bike, pocket bike, or toy. Instead, it's built as a miniature yet full-spec race bike aimed at providing superbike-level feel and experience in a cost-effective and approachable package. And according to the Instagram profiles of MotoGP superstar Alex Rins and American racing favorite Josh Herrin among others, Ovales are ridiculously fun and prominent training tools. The GP 2190 enters Oval's 2021 lineup as an all-new Halo model, boasting 12-inch wheels, a revised chassis, and roomier ergonomics than the GP 0110, 160, and 190 platforms, which feature a 10-inch wheel setup and are all still for sale. Oval has positioned the GP2 as a stepping stone for younger riders transitioning to full-size machines and a more enticing option for grown adults considering a taste of the mini experience. A closer look at the Oval GP2190 reveals racing DNA from the contact patches up. Beyond the race-inspired fiberglass bodywork, the design philosophy replicates modern-day supersport technology. Oval claims to have studied everything from sprocket positioning to triple clamp offset and trail to construct a steel trellis chassis, proudly marked, made in Italy, that achieves a 53/47 weight bias and ride feel similar to modern sport bikes. And the details don't stop there. The bike connects to the asphalt via Pirelli Diablo Rosso Scooter SC race tires, while a 33mm inverted fork with spring preload adjustability is mated with a fully adjustable rear shock to handle damping needs. Stopping power comes in form of a 4-piston J.1 radial-mounted caliper over a 220mm disc up front and a single-piston caliper at the rear. Factory